Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Our guest today is Hicks Mauro Toselli. Welcome, Mauro. Tell us something about you. Hey, thank you, thank you. Thank you for having me. My name is Mauro Toselli, and I'm here in my studio, which is my home, by the way, in Milan, close-ish to Milan in Italy, and I'm a sketchnoter. And what you're doing here? Thank you for the question. I would like to announce my crash course from zero to hero class Sketchnote for everybody. Huh? Ah, yeah, okay. Yet another class about Sketchnote. Yeah, we know the 5 basic shape, stick figure, drawing, lettering. No, no, wait a second, it's not like that. Why not? Well, yes, yeah, it's like that, but no, it's kind of different. I don't just show the how to draw and give you tools and tell you how to use tool, but I do stuff with you, and I draw along with you, and I want you to make your first sketch note, and that first sketch note will be a Sketchnote cheat sheet. That's useful. Okay, we will see. Yes, yes, you will see, and you will have fun, I promise. So, I assume it will be a very nice class with good video, perfect recording. Well, yeah. Uh, Wait a sec, about the recording. And my plan is to create different more classes about interesting stuff like visual problem solving, or the use of visual and sketchnote for project management. But I never did anything like this, and never recorded a class, and I wanted to start with something I know, not I know more, but I think easier, something that I run workshop very often, and I know everything about this. That so I wanted to use what I had at hand, like my iPhone, my MacBook with iMovie, just to understand, to learn from my mistake. And I made a lot. And but well, okay. Let me say the lesson, the recording are not really perfect, but they are good-ish. Uh, at the end, the main thing is the content, that you understand what I'm explaining, right? Why? What do you mean? Because I want people actually see me and practice with me and make a sketch note. Why? Why? It's a course, it's a class. I see. You are annoying. I see. Oh, come on. I see what I told you. It's if you want a class not polished, with a guy who speaks an acrobatic English, but he has passion, is authentic, and at the end of the course you will have a gift because it's your sketchnote, your first sketchnote. That's the class for you. Okay? You finished? Ma vaffanculo. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Goodbye.